So when I met the Let's Design team, I came up with a very special request to go ahead with a special area, which is like a personalized area. I wanted to give it as a gift to my husband once he sees the house just before our wedding. So I gave them a very intricate design that you have to go ahead with something personalized called PG Da Adda. That's what his friends call our house. So they exactly made the design the way I wanted, and when we actually had the design on our bar with the beams, with the lighting effect, I think it was looking amazing, and my husband was very happy when he saw that there is a personalized touch with this special area where he wants to spend the most of his time, which is near to the bar, near to the TV. So it is complementing I think the whole of the interior.
During construction, I used to get a daily update of what they have done right now and what they're going to do tomorrow. It was a great experience with them. The finishing was perfect and everything was up to the mark.
The kitchen is the area wherein I spend the most of my time. This is the space wherein I can sit. So I wanted to have a place wherein I can keep my laptop and I can do the kitchen, basically the house chores as well. So I came up with a request that I need an accessible breakfast table for our kitchen. So they made it very sturdy table for us. They came up with a very good design wherein we can keep our nearby stuff. So I think that was very nicely done, and I am utilizing this space the way I want it. So it is a very beautiful design that they have done for us. For our bed, I think bedroom, I think my dressing table is my one of the very favorite spot. I wanted to have like an area wherein I can keep my accessible stuff near to the mirror so that I can use them. So its design team did the exact way. They kept each and everything in mind. They made it very good. So I think you should consider them for any of your requirements. The way the current space has been utilized is amazing. So I think I would suggest that everyone should go for Let's Design as one of their first preferences for interior designing. Thank you.
Thank you.